Hi everyone, it's Brenda from Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. I am going to be trying my flip cup again, but I'm going to do it on a 7x14, and I have 4 of these medicine cups that I'm going to use. Now my colors today are going to be Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, Master's Touch Titanium White, DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Crystal Green, and then my Soho Manganese Blue. I just love that color. So I guess I'm going to do them in the order that I showed you. So it's dark, light, dark, light. So I'm going to start with the Phthalo Blue. And I've already sprayed my cups with the WD-40 silicone in the black canister. Give that a good shake. And we're going to go with the Dazzling Metallics. Now, with any painting, even a flip cup, you want to make sure that your canvas is level so the paint won't start going all one way. Let's put a little bit more green in this. And then my Manganese Blue. And I'm going to put 2 layers in these because I want to make sure I have enough paint. So we're going to do it in the same order again. The Phthalo Blue. A little bit in each. There we go. And then the Master's Touch. Looks like I'm going to have to mix some more. All right, I got enough for this. Woo! That was close. And I gotta have my glitter. I love sparkly hints in it. My Manganese Blue. I'm getting better at saying it. I think I'll have it down soon. Now I'm not wanting to fill these up completely at the top because I do need to flip them. And the first one's always the easiest one to flip. All right, whoops, where's my stirring stick? There it is. Mix these up a little bit, put a little design. That way they sort of blend with each other. They're just not one color in one spot. All right, now like I said, the first one is the easy one. There we go. Oh, lost a little bit. Not bad on that one. Hey, last one did good. See. All right, give them a moment to soak down. I mean, you can see how well that WD-40 just releases everything. All right, which one to begin with? I'm gonna go with this one. 1, 2, 3, flip. Put that in the corners to help it out. Oh, not all the way down. Oh, practice. A lot of practice is what this takes. Oh my. Let's see if I can just get that side to run down a little bit down the paint to the edge. one good flip there. That first one. Let's give it a torch real quick. Oh, I'm so happy I got my new torch in. Works so well. Alright, let's try to bring these down some more again. And I'm sort of just rocking a bit back to back. Well, side to side, sorry. I think I should have probably gone with a 5th cup on this one. Give it a quick little torch, see what happens. And yeah, I should have done 5 cups. I was thinking, oops, there's a little bit of smudge. Alrighty. I should have gone with another cup. Let's see what we can get. I don't think I have enough paint on here. There we go. Trying to move it slowly so I can get these closed up, hopefully. Spaces in between. There we go. And rocking a little bit again. Since we're already going that way, I'm going to try to hit that corner. And I'm doing this very slowly because I'm not trying to run everything off yet, since I didn't use the extra cup. Let's see if I can get that top part. Get it moving again. There we go. Almost. Let's see if I can help it go over the side a little bit. Give that paint something to grab onto. Even without the extra cup, I'm really liking this so far. Come on, coaxing on over. There we go. All right, let's try to bring it back to center. The weight. And I'm going to go down here towards this bottom corner. Try to get that paint moving some more. Alright, my paint's really going slow. There we go. it's starting to move. It's got the weight behind it. And I'm trying to watch the entire canvas because I don't want too much disfiguration on my, try to do a flip. Whoops. All right, let's start bringing it back down this way and tilting it down so it can cover up the rest of that canvas. Let's see, I think I'll help it out a little bit. Just putting a little paint on there so it can just catch it and start pulling it down. So I don't know about y'all, it's starting to get really chilly now finally down here. I think we had 2 days of some gorgeous weather, and that was it. All right, now I'm going to start bringing it back. What is that? There we go. Just bring it back down here. Now I'm loving how that emerald green is just popping. Try to get the weight. Sorry for the hard angle, y'all. Trying to rock it, help it along. There we go. Well, I'm starting to get some down here on the cells. Sorry about the hard angle, y'all, again. Just trying to rock it on this part here. So this would be much easier if I did use that extra cup, which I was originally thinking about doing. But it's turning out pretty cool. I'm really liking it. Just got to get that paint to this corner. It's trying. It's almost there. And I'm also trying to get it to the side too. Right here at the same time. There we go. Let's get over that edge there. There she goes. Bring it down a little bit. All right. Okay, now let's take a look. Let's see, let's give it a torch and see if anything pops up here. Then I'm going to try to stretch it out again. We'll move it back where it's supposed to be. Now I'm not hitting the flame on the paint. I'm just letting it heat it up so it pops those silicone and air bubbles. Trying to see if anything will come up over here. Ooh, earthy. I like this one. Okay, I'm going to try to bring it down a little bit more this way. Try to straighten up those lines a little bit. Not sure if my paint will. She's moving slow. Try to angle it a little bit, maybe that'll help. Sorry for the hard angle, y'all. Like I said, I don't have much paint on here, so it's not being very helpful to push it, even if I do get it back to center. Let's see, I got stuff trying to come up over here. Let's see if I can help it out. Yep, there's an air bubble. I keep taking my glove off because my last torch I had, I've gotten paint and resin on it. So it's really a hard time for me to get it to work. So I'm making sure this one does not have that same problem. My other torch is definitely just for resining now. Okay, let's see if I can get it to move a little bit more. Another air bubble. There we go. I think that is all my paint is gonna move. Not really. Is that smudge? Guess so. Well, I'm liking it. It's really pretty. I'm really liking how the cells are starting to pop up here. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really liking that. So I think for my next try, I'm gonna have 5 cups for the flip cup. So I have more paint to play with and move around instead of having to draw it, because now, since I've had to take it and spread it out so far, I don't have anything to move around anymore because it's all off. But I think it still turned out really gorgeous. I love how that green's coming through the white there. And I love those bands. Thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe button, and please hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.